Good morning, students. In this video we are going to show you the concept of sublimation and deposition. You have studied sublimation is the process in which a matter is directly converted from solid form to gaseous form. We have saw many examples. One such example is ammonium chloride. Now ammonium chloride is in the hands of Joseph sir. You can see that this ammonium chloride can undergo sublimation. It can be directly converted from solid form into gaseous form with the application of little heat. So now we are going to demonstrate that. Now sir is having the ammonium chloride. Now he is going to heat it. Okay, so we have a candle ready for heating, and now we have put the ammonium chloride in a small china dish, and now we have covered it with a funnel. Why we have covered it with the funnel means soon the ammonium chloride will be started to convert into gas form. That is, on the application of heat, ammonium chloride undergoes sublimation and it will be directly converted into gas. So we should prevent the gas from escaping because we want to see the deposition. Okay, so for that purpose we are placing a funnel over the china dish, and the tip of the funnel is covered with a small plug so that we will prevent the escaping of the gas. So now we are heating the ammonium chloride. Slowly it will undergo sublimation and it will be converted into gas form. So all the gas will be collected in the funnel. So what happened? So now it is in gas form. We cannot see that. But once we stop heating, what will happen? It will undergo cooling. You know very well, on cooling the gas will be again converted into solid. That is called deposition. Okay, so let us wait for some time. It will take some time. So let us wait for another 2-3 minutes. I am passing the video. Students, so now we have already heated it for around 2-3 minutes. Now most of the ammonium chloride is already converted into gas form. So now we should start cooling. So we will put out the fire. So now sir is removing the candle. Sir is removing the fire. Okay, now let us allow it to cool, because on cooling now the gas inside the funnel, the gas is there. I can see it, probably you may not see it, but we can see once this gas is allowed to cool, it will be again converted into the solid salt. Okay, that is called deposition. So let us wait for another few minutes. You can see this funnel. It has become white color. This is due to the gas formation. Now the ammonium chloride is converted into gas form. You can see in the funnel. So let us allow it to cool for few minutes. Then we can see the solid, that is the salt formation, the deposition of the ammonium chloride. So let us wait for few minutes. Students, now we are going to check the funnel, and now it is cool for few minutes. You can see ammonium chloride is deposited there. You can see that. Yeah, you can see that. This process is called deposition. When you cool, first when you heat the solid, the sodium, the ammonium chloride, it will be converted into gaseous form. Now if you capture the gas in a funnel and then allow it to cool, the gas will be again converted into solid. This process is called deposition. You can see that. And this is a very good example. This ammonium chloride is a very good example for sublimation as well as deposition. Thank you.